Hello, I'm the guy. Let's get realistic. I'm calling you because I'm very sick. Let's get more love in our company.
What? No. No. No.
Sorry. Va deixar allà, per allà, una carpeta damunt d'un banc, allà trobareu informació. Have a nice tour. Bye bye. See you later. Adeu.
What?
If everybody had a nose across the U.S.
Very hot! It's very hot! Ay, nakiyan yung sabi! Hot!
Look here, torrentado. Water, very water. Disaster. Look. Simboliza la solidaridad humana. Pero capa pueblo de señores. Durante el día posterior, la torrentada. Water. Esta escultura está posible gracias a la fundación de la Caixa. Money, baby. Al ayuntamiento de San Lorenzo. Este desayuno ya no cansado de estar. Yo no voy a venir aquí, ya salió de fiesta. And finally, the church. Here, the communions, funerals. Okay. Yeah, Mises. Very good. Okay. Here, the devil's dance. San Juan Palu. San Juan Palu. Enjoy.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy yourself.
So, what do you think about San Lorenzo?
Wonderful!